should take it slow.
So what's up guys, welcome back to my channel Hassu's Guide, and in today's video we're going to be unboxing a HAMA Star Twin 150 3D tripod, and this tripod has a monopod within it. So let me show you the specification. First of all, over here you can see the minimum height of the tripod is 57 centimeter and the maximum height is 150 centimeter, and over here you can see the minimum height of the monopod, which is 44 centimeter, and the maximum height of the monopod, which is 150 centimeter. And these are the rest of the specifications. As you can see that the monopod is inside the tripod, that we are going to check out when we are going to unbox the tripod. And the maximum weight that should be of the camera should not exceed 4 kg, and the maximum weight that you can hang on the tripod is 1350 grams, means 1 kg and 350 grams. It should not exceed. This is the maximum weight. So let's unbox it. As you guys can see that it's in a bag, a polyester bag, and inside the bag it's in a plastic sheet. Let's see. As you guys can see, it's written over here HAMA, and the name should be over here, Star Twin 150 3D. So let me show you the overview of the tripod. As you can see that this is the minimum height of the tripod. So let me show you the features. You have two balance scale over here, one for the camera and one for the tripod. Over here you can see the balance scale, and over here as well. And over here you have a smooth rubber surface over here, and rubber cover over here as well on the hands. So let me show you the full length, full size of the tripod. So this is basically the full length of the tripod over here. As you can see it, this is 150 centimeter, as I told you in the specifications. And now let me show you the monopod. So for extracting the monopod, you can see that there is a adjustment screw over here. You can see, yes, you just need to loosen it up completely, loosen up, and then just pull out the top part of the tripod. As you can see, we have a monopod over here. Which was within the tripod. So now let me show you the maximum height of the monopod. A monopod is basically used for making vlogs or making video documentaries. You can just carry it anywhere easily in your hand. So let me show you the maximum height. So this is actually the maximum height of the monopod. As you can see over here, we have our monopod over here and the tripod over here. So if you can use it to increase the height of the tripod as well. You can use it in such a way to increase the height of the tripod as well. So this tripod gives you ultimate benefit with a monopod and a tripod. And the price of this tripod was approximately 2700 PKR, Pakistani rupees, 2700 Pakistani rupees in the local market, and you can easily find it on online web stores. So that's all from my side. Thank you. Hope you like the video.